Welcome to my YouTube channel. Traditional tools and surprise how to make it wristwatch adjustment. Shout out, Roger. Your request is granted. This was a new wristwatch, men's wristwatch. I'm gonna use these tools. So again, this is a new watch. So we remove the 3 spaces of this bracelet. So I'm gonna use a pin lock. This was a Samsung pin lock or another pin lock that will use. Sometimes I use pakumbak, yeah, but as of now I use this pin lock. So it's comfortable for this men's wristwatch. Remove these spaces. So I'm gonna move 3 spaces. So there's a hole, a small hole. So you're gonna pin and careful so that it will not slide. If the pin lock is slide, they hurt your fingers. So be careful. So that was a hole, just like that. So patient. So you need to punch carefully so that it will remove the pin lock. So that one, easily and careful. You see, I removed the pin lock. That one's a pin lock. So I removed the 3 spaces. So be careful and don't forget to like, share, comment, the notification bell, and subscribe. Support my channel. That was a 3 spaces that I removed. So that was, I'm gonna put it back to the other side to clamp. So I use the pin lock that I removed. But these 3 spaces, you will not use it. So that one, I connect it again side by side, just easily. You see, our project is completely done. So I review the 3 spaces, the pin lock, the remover pin lock, and side by side connection. Again, this is Nonoy. We finished our work today. Thank you. Shout out, Roger. Once again, I'm Nonoy Rivera. Thank you for watching.